The hot press machine is a specialized equipment used in the production of plywood. It applies high temperature and pressure to bond the plywood materials together, creating strong and durable plywood sheets. The hot press machine is known for its high efficiency, stability, automated control, and safety features. It enables fast heating and high-pressure application, leading to increased productivity. Made with premium materials and precise manufacturing, it ensures long-lasting performance with minimal breakdowns. The automated control system allows precise regulation of temperature, pressure, and timing, ensuring consistent quality in plywood production. Multiple safety features, including overload protection and emergency shutdown, are incorporated to ensure operator safety. The hot press machine is widely used in industries such as furniture manufacturing, construction, and packaging. Its working principle involves heating the mold, softening the adhesive, and applying high pressure to compress and bond the plywood materials. After cooling and solidification, the mold is opened, and the finished plywood sheets are obtained. The hot press machine is an essential tool in the production of high-quality plywood sheets.